Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to increase volume in Premiere Pro. So if you want to increase or you want to boost the audio level of your video in Premiere Pro, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do to increase the audio volume is just to click on the audio clip you want to increase in your timeline. After that, go to the window or the effect clip or effect control to open the effect control panel, and after that, in the effect control panel, find the volume section, drag the slider up to increase the volume of the type of higher volume value you want. And after that, right click on the audio clip and select audio gain. In the dialog box, enter the positive number to increase the volume. After that, play back your timeline to preview the audio and make sure it sounds good before you proceed. After that, adjust the volume further if necessary until you are satisfied with the audio level of the video, and that is how you can boost audio level in Premiere Pro. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.